Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is TIMO TECH Electronics. You can subscribe, like the video and share. So in this video, I'm going to talk about AR power base. This is a 4200 watts Maxpower. It's a flat sub under seat subwoofer. So this is the official music brand of live music. AR. So as you can see, this is 4200 watts with a year warranty. As you can see how the package looks like. Yeah, so this is a 10-inch subwoofer with 1800 RMS. Very power. As you can see, the package is very nice. The box looks nice. As you can see, this is nice. Yeah, this is AR. So let's see how the AR Under Seat 10-inch sub looks like inside. As you can see, the package is well packed, safe, no any damage. It can't be easy damage or easy scratch. It's covered with the box. Okay, yeah. So it also have a plastic. This is a nice package. So it can't be easily scratched or damaged because it's covered with plastic. After plastic box, then the actual box, which is very safe. Okay. Oh, it's heavy and very nice sub. As you can see, it's very thick. It's AR support base. Stick can wig, very nice and perfect. Can fit in any under seat of the car. As you can see, that's why it's called under seat flat up. You can put it under the seat of the vehicle or back seat of the vehicle if you have an highlights light. Okay, so this is a 12 volts power with a remote, which is we can tap from any accessor. And the ground, as you all know, the entire body of the vehicle, it's negative. So which is ground? That one, it's negative with a 15 amp fuse, with left and right input AV cables, and output light, left output speakers. So these are the knobs you can adjust: gain, low bass, and bass boost. You can adjust them. So this is the socket for the output. If you want to add other speakers, yeah. So this one you can add this. The output is this one. It's a remote control. Okay. So how this works? When you install this up, you put it under the seat. If you want to remove the volume or remove the gain, what you can't be stopping the car anytime and then you remove it from under the seat, then you adjust from there. So this one, after all is done, you mount this one, so you can mount it under the seat so that it doesn't shake when driving. Yeah, so this is how this works. So when everything is done, installed, and you put it under the seat, then that's when you can use this remote. The cable is very long. It's about 5-6 meters. So you can run it from under the seat proper up to your base position where you want it to be. Or visible to you, easily adjust when driving. You can put it. So that's how this works. So this is the volume now. So you plug it in, then you line the cable up to the best position of this and easily to access it. This is a very nice sub, AR Under Seat, very powerful, and the box is very nice. As you can see, so this is AR 4200 watts with 1800 RMS power. This is very powerful. As you can see, so this is very powerful, original brand new. This is car audio system. So if you want any other car sound system, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have, as you can see in the background, we have car radios and many more car audio system. We also do vehicle security systems. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow. So in the next video, I will show you how that Pioneer looks like. Yeah, so I also have a Pioneer 4500 watts. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell button every time I post a video to get the notification. Don't miss. Thank you. Thanks for watching.